In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a Likert scale in Google Forms. So basically, a Likert scale is a popular rating scale in survey that measures attitude, opinions, or perceptions by asking respondents to rate their levels of agreement or disagreement with a statement. Now, I'm going to use one of the pre-made forms that I've made right here. Now, this is going to be very generic. I'm going to put the customer experience survey right here, and then we have a blank answer. From there, I'm going to add something like our first question, which is going to be this one, but you want to change this into the multiple choice grid. Of course, you want to enter your question, and basically inside, I'm going to put something like the product meets my expectation. In here, I'm going to put something like the customer experience is great. And then you can put much more depending on the survey that you want to conduct. Maybe I'm going to add another one like the website is user friendly. And in here for the columns, I'm going to put something like strongly agree. In here, agree, neutral. So I'm just going to simply make this fast right here. We have disagree and strongly disagree. Now that we have this simple yet Likert survey or scale, I'm going to click on the live view so we can simply take a look at what we've made right here. And so with this simple step, we have managed to make a Likert scale in Google Form. I have 3 questions right here, which is the product meets my expectation. Now for this one, let's say that my customer strongly agrees. The customer experience is great. For this one, let's say neutral. And the last question is going to be the website is user friendly. For this one, let's say disagree. So from there, you have successfully made your Likert scale in Google Forms. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.